Why is Valley TechLogic right for your business? Technology continues to enable businesses across the country to do great things. With the right IT solutions, businesses can fulfill orders, close new sales, increase efficiency, and watch profits skyrocket. Technology is not a set-it-and-forget-it activity. Successful business owners see IT as a strategic investment that provides velocity in the marketplace and ability to better serve their clients and customers. Technology is an investment that requires the care and attention from skilled and certified IT professionals. Enter Valley TechLogic. Our team of IT professionals has the skills to take care of your day-to-day IT support needs, help you make strategic IT decisions, and allow you to stay ahead of your competition. When your business partners with ours for all of your IT support and service needs, you know you have everything you need to achieve your business goals. For one fixed monthly price, cheaper than hiring your own IT professional, you can enjoy the latest technology solutions without compromising your company's bottom line. Looking for a trusted IT support team to help with all of your IT needs? Call today for a no-obligation review of your current IT status and to discuss your plans for the future. Valley TechLogic could be a perfect fit for you and your business. Contact us today. As your trusted team of IT professionals, we can ensure you have the right solution to meet all of your business requirements. Our managed IT services are tailored to meet your specific needs, and we are ready to serve you. Visit us online at www.valleytechlogic.com or give us a call. You can also reach us by email at sales@valleytechlogic.com. Valley TechLogic is ready to serve you. We welcome you to visit our website or call us directly. Thank you for putting your trust in our capable team.